really comfortable seats. AC controls the launch. I like how there's not too many buttons.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go, what's the route? To right, okay. And the turn signal's on the, oh, it's, okay. So the first thing that comes to mind is comfortability again. This car is very comfortable. It like hugs your back.
Yeah. Performance racing bucket seats.
It's still really comfortable.
Yeah, real carbon fiber here.
There's a real carbon fiber.
Yep.
Nice little accents, I like it. The Alcantara trim too. It's really nice. That whine. You really don't feel the speed. It's like absorbing it, even though you're moving, which is crazy nice. You hear that whine. Day outside though, damn, it's really hot. I like this a lot. It's actually driving really smooth. You could daily this car. You could daily it.
Oh yeah,
for sure.
A lot of people do.
I would not expect to say I'd buy a Hellcat as my daily driver, because who does that? But it's actually not that bad. Do these come in heads-up displays or not? No. That would have been a cool additional. I guess Dodge doesn't really give a shit about those features.
Yeah, right here, detective.
They're like, we just care about
this
the
performance. This is built for muscle.
They don't really care about all that pretty stuff.
Yeah.
Which I love.
They spend all the money on the engine.
Paddle shifters are in a good angle too.
Take another right.
You really don't feel it. It moves, but it's so comfortable that it's absorbing that G-force, so you really don't feel the power. Which is really nice for daily driving. Oh, that's how you switch it.
Yeah, you can switch it to manual.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's how you can switch it to, you can do it manually here too.
Oh, okay. That's cool. You can like go up and down. That's cool. It gives you a little feel of the shifter. I definitely see the hype behind this car.
We're taking right at the red light.
Do you sell a lot of Hellcats though?
I just sold the last two. I worked over at Jacksonville for
a
little while. I just sold the last two Demon 170s they had.
Dang. Demon 170 is crazy. Have you guys got one before? A Demon 170?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had two of them.
Oh, wow. I mean, it's really like comfortable, and there's like different modes, right?
Yep.
So since it's a jailbreak, it's not a red eye. They're two different things, right? Okay. Drive modes. Right now it's at 500 horsepower.
Yep, because you got the black key.
Oh, that unlocks the full power.
The red key unlocks the 717.
And that will come with it, right?
Yep.
Okay.
You get two red keys and a black key. The Demon 170 comes with just red keys.
Yeah. People who buy Demon 170s know they just don't want to use the black key.
One of the guys I sold to was 82 years old and it was his daily driver.
What the hell? 82 at the Demon 170 is... sounds about right. ACs are pretty... The AC is pretty crisp. I always look at like how a car's AC is. It tells you a lot about how quality it is. Even with it being at 500, it still is fast.
Oh yeah.
Which is kind of degrading to people who own Camaros and Mustangs, like GTs and SSs, because this car has two modes where one is more than your top end.
Yep.
Dodge is on something. Gas isn't that bad, so I'm guessing at 500 horsepower it's taking less gas, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So like if you ever want to preserve fuel, you could just use the black key for that day. Makes sense. Instead of using the whole power, all 717 horses. Yeah, first thing I would do on this car is get an exhaust. It's the first thing I'm gonna do.
You don't like the exhaust on it?
No, I do. I just would make it a little bit more race car-y. It's very settled right now. But then again, I'm not really punching it, and I'm not trying to. But is there like an active exhaust? No,
yeah,
it's just
exhaust
straight up.
Yep.
Oh, you can custom. I'm gonna play with all that later. The exhaust a little bit. Right here?
Right up here on the right. Yeah, it's got a 30 exhaust, that's for sure.
Yeah, yep. Now I heard it. So there's not really there's no difference with the Challenger and Charger, is there? In performance wise? Both kind of feel the same and everything. Where should I park it?
You can park right next to that black truck. On this side where we were.
Oh, where we were?
Yep.
Okay, cool. This is way better than the Camaro. It's got a pretty large screen for backup. Well, thank you, Michael, for showing me and allowing me to test drive the Hellcat Jailbreak wide body. I'm just gonna do a little walk around of it. So this is the Hellcat Jailbreak wide body. So clean. You have to get the wide body. You can't get anything else besides the wide body. Can't go with the skinny. Seats are down. Yo, this dude literally told me that so many people stole this car from this actual exact. Oh, it's heated in the back. Yeah, he told me that people steal this car from the dealership. Fuck. All right, man.